let's do this together. So 9 minus 3, it is 6. Then 6 divided by 1/3, it is what? It is 2 maybe? 2 plus 1 is 3. No, wait, that's the wrong answer. Maybe another time. Let's give it another try. So 9 minus 3 divided by 1/3, it's just minus or 1, and then plus 1. The answer is 9, maybe. No way, that's the wrong answer, because you fell for a lot of big traps in the order of operations and in doing the fractions. But what's the correct order of operations? You must learn this once for all. So the rule for orders of operation is something called PEMDAS. Yes, PEMDAS, you heard it correctly. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for, oh, that's a good D, division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Okay, so this is the correct order of operations, and this shows a vector. This is an arrow, so you should do from the highest priority to the lowest priority. So according to PEMDAS, to this rule, parentheses have the highest precedence or priority of them all. Then, after doing the parentheses, you must do exponents if there is any exponents. Then, multiplication and division, they have the same priority. Keep in mind, this is very, very crucial. So, MD or DM does not matter at all. So, whichever you see at first, from left to right, the same for addition and subtraction. Go from left to right. So now with this in mind, let's revisit our original problem. So we have one subtraction, one division, and one addition. So obviously you can't do the first subtraction at first because we have a division, and division has a higher priority than addition and subtraction. So we must do division at first, but we have a division which includes a fraction. So how should you approach this? So in the second attempt, I told you 3 divided by 1/3 gives us 1, but I was just testing you. So 3 divided by 3 times 1/3 gives us 1, right? Not divided by 1/3. So maybe there is a very simple rule for that. So whenever you have a number m and you want to divide it by, let's say, a over b, divided by a fraction, you can easily reciprocate the fraction and change the sign to multiplication. So what is the reciprocate of a fraction? You just simply need to flip the top part, which is the numerator, if you want to know, and to the bottom part, which is the denominator. So reciprocate of a over b is b over a. So just flip the top and the bottom, swap the top and the bottom. So m divided by a over b, it is the same thing as m times or multiplied by b over a, which is the reciprocal of that. And the rest is obviously easy. So let's revisit it again. So 9 minus, instead of 3 divided by 1/3, we can write it as, we can turn it into multiplication as 3 times 3 over 1. So that's the reciprocate of 1/3, and then plus 1. Now again, we have a multiplication to do before addition and subtraction. So 9 minus 3 times 3, it is 9, and then plus 1. 9 minus 9 gives us 0, and then plus 1, and 1 is the only correct answer. The only correct answer. So as your homework, should you choose to accept it, so what would the answer be if we had this part inside parentheses? So let's add some parentheses and difficulties to this. So please make sure to drop your answers in the comments below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, please, to support me. And see you on our next video on prime logic.